Hi, welcome to Rosie Canine Farm. This is a litter of F1B Labradoodles. They are 4 weeks old here. Let's see if I can go through them. This one is Red Girl Apple. And then we have Yellow Girl here, Peach. Let me see. Green Girl here is Cherry. And then I have, at least I think you're Green Girl. I'm missing one. Yep, your girl. Let's see, this was Blue Boy Mulberry. So that one's Blue Girl right there, who is Plum. And then Red Boy. Are you Boy? Hang on. Yes. This one is Red Boy Lime. And there's 2 girls in this litter. I need those that have deposits to start making their final picks of which puppy they want. Come here. That one is Red Girl Apple. Hi. Yes. This one's Green Girl. This one's the Red Boy. Oh my goodness, you're right up in my lap. This one's Blue Boy. And this is the girl. And then we have Yellow Girl. So we have Rosie Canine Farming. Check us out at www.rosieCanineFarm.com. That's spelled ROZEYK, the number 9farm.com. Or you can give us a call at 616-892-1993. And we'd love to give you some more information on this gorgeous litter of F1B Labradoodles. I got some with some really super nice curly coats. Even this Red Girl, though, she's just going to have a really nice, she's got a very soft, long, fleecy coat. They all should be all going to be shed-free, hypoallergenic. Hi, yes, Cherry, I see you way up in my lap. And Blue Girl here. This one's Apple. This one's the Blue Boy Mulberry. Huh, and so then your Blue Girl is Plum, and Yellow Girl here is Peach. They got fruit names. Alright, let me turn around and maybe see if you guys will come. Okay, come here. Here, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, you found me. Come here. So they're getting up and active and playful, growing very nicely. Huh. Did you guys all find me again? Yes. There's Yellow. Come here, Peach. That one's Cherry. This is Red Boy. That one's Cherry. Blue Girl. Apple. Come here. There we go. Yes, you good girl. Yes. All right. Well, we'll say thanks for visiting. Say bye for now. Come here. Come here. Yes, you found me. Yes. A good girl. All right, say bye for now.